Hello everyone, Akash here. This is 100% pure organic red onion oil. There's a 4 different oil in mix in it. I'll go through it in the video detail and what would be the best way to use this. But if you're gonna use this is 100% pure organic, and you're gonna use this and you're gonna use some harsh chemical shampoo, it's not gonna go with this. So I'll definitely end of the video I'll talk about a shampoo that you could use and you could choose depending which country you are, because if you're in North America, you could get this in 3 days. I have the link in description box. But in case you're in different country and you don't find this wherever you are, there's a home remedy with the onion. It's not gonna be as good as this, but that's something close to it that I personally made it. I have the video in my channel. If you go all hair growth product channel, if you go in my playlist, is there. It says home remedy onion juice. Okay, you could make that. There's a few things mixed in it and really helps stop thinning out your hair. And that's not going to cost you anything if you do that, but it's not going to be as good as this, definitely not. So after using it 2 weeks, this has, by the way, it has a black seed onion oil in it, it has an argan oil in it, and it has a sandalwood oil in it and rose oil in it. 4 different oil in it, and it's 100% pure organic. There's nothing, has no side effect, nothing. And especially if you're a man or woman, it doesn't matter, man or woman, if you are waking up every morning and you're seeing your hair is falling off, even you taking shower, you're losing a lot of hair, this thing, first thing is gonna do, stop hair fall. That's the first it's gonna do to your hair. Then you're gonna see your hair slowly thicker and fuller. Volume of your hair is gonna get better and better. So after using 2 weeks, every time, like, what would be the best way to use it? By the way, make sure you store it in a cold place, not a hot place, cold place. You store it. And this is 200 ml in it, so it's a pretty big bottle. So if you're a woman, I'm sure if you have long hair, but still it's a big bottle because you're not using it every day. So you're using it, like, if you recently really start losing hair a lot, if you're saying it, use it like every other day. Like, use it overnight. Like, if you use it like before you go to bed, put it gently, massage it like regular oil. You're gonna use it, put it in, same thing, man and woman both. And then in the morning you got to take a shower, because it has a 4 different oil mix, but still you don't want to go out with oil on your hair. The reason I'm saying to keep it overnight, so make sure your skull, the blood flow on your skull is very important, and red onion does that. Like sometimes I say in my video, use a derma roller to get the blood flow on your skull. This does that for you, so you don't have to use derma roller if you're using this. So it does help the red onion pump up the blood, and it helps you. You're gonna see a significant difference, reduce like hair fall. Like even if you like 2 times, 3 times you use. So first week, just try to use it every other day, 3 times. Then if you see it's improving and better, then you just do 2 times a week. Then if you think it's getting more better, then you use it 1 time a week. And then if it feels really good and everything, then you could just every 2 weeks you could use it once, or every month you could use it once, because you get all the nutrition you need for your hair, plus it's gonna help you pump up the blood flow on your skull, and definitely 100% organic, so it doesn't have any side effect or anything on it. So it definitely boosts your hair growth. So you're not gonna see a boost your hair growth immediately. You continue use it for week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, then you're gonna see it, but it's gonna immediately stop hair loss, hair thinning out. So that is the most important, in the beginning. And also it's going to help you with your dandruff. If you have a dandruff issue, definitely that solves the dandruff issue. So overnight, just shake it well before you go to bed. Just put it gently, massage it and put it, and just in the morning, just take a shower and get over it. But I told you, you need a good hair shampoo. I told you in the video, if you check out in my channel before, this is the first time you're here, so you don't know about it. If you have a baby shampoo, good brand in your country. If you're in North America, the baby shampoo I personally recommend is Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. It's really good. It has a less chemical in it, so you could use this. Or definitely that I personally use the Sea Beach anti-hair loss shampoo. This is pure ginger shampoo. This is like, if you're using a regular shampoo, you can use the same process. Like, you put it on your hair, gently massage it, keep it for 5 minutes, then you rinse it out with cold water. That's what you do. This is widely available. I'm sure many other countries available, but if you're in the USA, you could just go in my link and you get it really fast. So the red onion oil, you'll get it really fast, and these two. So the reason I'm saying perfectly fine. If it's still you using the red onion and you using CVS in anti-hair loss shampoo, and then you realize that what, maybe you need a supplement, you could always go, I would recommend, depending on your hair situation, always people ask me, oh, they lost like 20 or 30% of their hair, I would say biotin is really helpful. If you check it out on my channel, biotin hair supplement, that's, I personally take it over there, and really helped me. But if your hair situation is really bad, if you lost like 40 or 50% of your hair already, then definitely you need something stronger. Growth is really good. I did review it, I'm not going in detail right now, you could check it in my channel playlist. Growth, that has a 28 different vitamin vegetarian ingredient in it, and that was 16 years study in clinically study. So that's really helpful, especially a lot of women get really good result with it. So men and women both can use it, and you could check it out. So hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.